Bell 07. A quick update on the new addition to the tank. Remember how I said my chocolate chip starfish had eaten my Aiken? So I figured I'd get another one to replace it. Not feeling too good this week. I don't know, something going around, but just a quick update. Torch coral. Duncan's. Feeling real good. Nice and big. Branching hammer. The mushrooms. Alright. Nice new acres. Nice and fat. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think about six or 7 heads on it. Very healthy, very chubby. As you can see, blowing in the wind there. And no chocolate chip or no puffer to bother it, so should do pretty well. You guys will probably be pretty happy that I got this thing for only 30 bucks. Great store down in Union on Route 22 in New Jersey. $30 8-can frags. Very healthy. So, alright, just a quick update. Like I said, not feeling too good, so not too long. Alright, everybody. This is Bell 07. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.